Hey guys, just doing a cold start here this morning on the Duramax. It's probably about 10 below at least outside right now, I would say. So here's the Duramax. Looking pretty as always. Got some ice just up here. See if my amp power steps work in the cold still. Oh yeah, a little slow, but they worked. Let's hop up in here and get her going. Okay, yeah, we got 13 below there. Looks like I need some coolant too, huh? I think I got some of that back in the back there. Alright, she's ready to start. Ooh, not starting quite yet. There we go. My Duramax always starts right up. Never had a problem. I just got these tires and I gotta say I'm loving them. Thank you guys for watching. Comment if you want to see some more